Welcome. Today we're going to talk about exponents. We're just going to introduce exponents using integer exponents. So our goal is that students will be able to understand what exponents are and what they mean. Students will be able to write out exponential expressions in expanded form and vice versa. And students will be able to simplify or perform exponent operations. Let's get started. What is an exponent? An exponent tells the number of times a number, which is our base, is multiplied by itself. Let's write down a few examples. So I'm going to write 3 squared. We've all seen or heard that before, but what is actually happening? Well, the 3 is our base. That's the number that's going to be multiplied. And the 2, that's our exponent, and that is telling us how many times we're going to be taking 3 times itself. In this case, it's 3 times 3. There's 1, and there's 2 times of the multiplication. 3 squared is, of course, 9. Now, if I had, let's do something different. 2 to the 5th power, okay, that's what we would say, or 2 raised to the 5th power. Sometimes they say that because the exponent's up high. Our base is 2. Our exponent is 5. And what this means is I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times, okay? Normally we use a calculator, but if you wanted to, you could pair these up. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, and then this 2 doesn't have a partner. And we have 4 times 4 is 16. This 2 comes down, no partner there. And 2 times 16 is 32. So 32 is equivalent to 2 raised to the 5th power. So we've seen what that looks like with 2 examples. Let's look at a few more. First, we're going to write it in expanded form. When in doubt, write it out. What is 4 to the 3rd power? Where it's going to be 4 times 4 times 4, because 3 is my exponent, and then I better have 1, 2, 3 4s. That's going to be 16 times 4 is 64. Okay. Here we have a slightly different problem. This is already in expanded form. I want it in exponential form. I want it to be a base with an exponent. But I have 2 different numbers. I have 2 and 4. So I would read this as 2 times 4 times 2 times 4. First, let's partner these 2 2's next to each other. Times 4 times 4. It's multiplication, so order does not matter. I have 2 multiplied times itself twice, and I'm multiplying that times 4, my base, times itself twice. The base is the number that's doing the multiplication. The exponent is how many times we are multiplying. So here we have an exponential expression on the left. Okay. Our base is 2, and our exponent is 7. If I'm going to write this out in expanded form, it's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. One more. Without using a calculator, what I like to do is just pair these up. I know what 2 times 2 is. That's 4. I know what 4 times 4 is. That's 16. I know what 4 times 8 is. And 16 times 8 is 128. This equals 2 to the 7th power. Okay. So this is our exponential expression. This is the simplified version. We solved, or we essentially do the operation that is being asked, which is 2 multiplied times itself 7 times. Our last problem. All our exponents have been positive integers. Now we're looking at a negative integer. And something interesting happens here. When we have a negative in the exponent, I'm going to write this as 3 over 1. We're looking at a fraction. And when we have the negative, it means we are going to switch these numbers. We're going to take the reciprocal and then raise it to the 3rd power. So now our negative is gone because we've taken the reciprocal of our number, our base. And so now I have 1 over 3 cubed, or 3 to the 3rd power, which is 1 over 27. So a negative in the exponent just means if I have b, where b is any number, and I have negative n, where n is an integer. This is 1 over b to the n. Okay, and we'll get into more fractions another time. Recap. So some vocab recap on this one because this is an introductory video. An exponent is the number that tells us how much we are going to repeat multiplication. How many times multiplication? Spelling is not my forte. An expression is basically like a math sentence. Uses numbers, symbols, and operations. An operation is a mathematical process. Examples would be addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Expanded form is when we write out, pardon my penmanship, the exponential expression. Exponential form is, whoopsie daisy, pardon me, when we write repeated multiplication using exponents. And to simplify, it really just means to solve. You perform the math operation indicated. All right, so our assignment is going to be our power and exponents worksheet for those of you who are my students. You know where to find it. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Thanks for tuning in.